this tree was actually a living tree and not dying. And after one of our heavy rainstorms in July, we got 7-8 inches of rain in July, we got some wind and it blew down. So goes it, right? That same thing happened to my island after I cleaned up that island and mowed it last fall, where it was beautiful. Even my wife and mother-in-law liked going to it. I had 5 trees blow down, which possibly I'm going to clean up this weekend. So I have this tree, which has a lot of branches on it, and it was leaning severely this way, that I have to cut up, and I think I'm not going to have the town pick up. I'm going to truck it off site. I'm going to scrape the dirt off this stump and fill in the hole that the stump left. You can see the roots up. This is actually saves me from digging it up. But then I have this tree coming down, makes it easier for me to take down this tree, which is probably a 60 footer. Get you back up a little bit. To take down this tree, which is a 60 footer, and then the one right next to it, which is easily 60 feet, maybe 70 feet. 2 big trees. Actually, I like that they're leaning this way. This is great. They are on my property. Both of those are on my property, and I want to dig up those stumps. And then I have this tree coming down, also makes it easier to take down this tree along the creek, which is dead. And I am not going to dig up the stump of that because it's right on the edge of the creek, so I'm not going to take that down. Let's get to work, right? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please hit like, share it with a friend, and consider subscribing. Thank you, Marauders. A win. Big, messy tree. I put off cleaning this up. I knew it was going to be bad. Try to cut it up into small pieces. And this is probably the messiest tree I have to remove because it was living. absolute mess. That machine is just amazing. Just amazing. I've gotten so spoiled with having it on this property that my wife's saying I'm talking myself into keeping it beyond 2 years, and she may be right. Chainsaw is running like a monster today. Although I don't know what this, I'm embarrassed to say I don't know what this tree is. I don't think it's an ash, just because it was too healthy. Not sure how I'm gonna cut this off. Probably gonna do a cut right about there. And another one here, so I'm going to try to grab it close here and lift it up. So Marauders, I'm going to close out that video, and the next video will be the John Deere 3046R with a grapple on it, moving the big logs, which I'm going to save, split, and use for firewood, outdoor firewood here. So pretty amazing, that machine. Pretty amazing. That took me probably over an hour to do that tree, maybe an hour and a half. I kind of lost track of time, but it is just, you get just so spoiled having an excavator on your property. And I know it's not for everything, it's an expensive machine, but man, it really helped me. Let's do a meter test. They reduced my medicine. My A1C went from 10.1 to 5.3 to 5.1, so they reduced one of my medicines. And I'm on a new meter. Sometimes the new meters are a little wacky. Let's see what it says. And it's high. Well, not really high. It's still in the normal range. You can see that 135. I did have peanut butter and jelly on toast for breakfast, I knew I was going to be burning calories. So we're going to close out this video. And Marauders, thank you for watching. If you ride motorsports, please wear a helmet. Set an example for others and protect yourself. And please, let's think of our soldiers. Let's think of our soldiers. Yesterday was August 26th. It was a sad day. So you might not be religious, you might not pray. That's okay. I pray. If you don't pray, just try to think positive thoughts about those soldiers and their families, please. Thank you very much. I hope to see you on the trail, and God bless. Oh boy. Today I got to bring down these 2 trees. I'm not really too worried about them. I may try to push them down. It's easier to knock the dirt off the stump when it's already over than it is to dig it up. So I might try to push one of these down, or both of them. Thank you, Marauders.